Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a wheel bearing on a Nissan Murano. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a precise torque wrench. Safety is paramount, so properly lift and secure your vehicle. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself throughout the repair process. Taking these initial steps correctly will make the entire job smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now, let's get into the disassembly. Start by removing the wheel, then carefully unbolt and hang the brake caliper, followed by the rotor. Next, locate and disconnect the ABS sensor, ensuring not to damage its wiring. Finally, loosen the large axle nut. You'll likely need a hub puller to safely separate the hub from the steering knuckle, as they can be quite stubborn after years of use. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive tips. On another note, after a tough repair like this, you'll be hungry. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh. Check the description below for the link to these containers and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old bearing out, it's time for the new one. First, meticulously clean the steering knuckles bearing bore to ensure a smooth fit. Then, using a hydraulic press or a specialized bearing press tool, carefully press the new wheel bearing into the knuckle. This step requires precision to avoid damaging the new part. Once the bearing is seated, reinstall the hub into the new bearing, making sure it's perfectly aligned. Now, let's put everything back together. Reattach the brake rotor, then the caliper, and reconnect the ABS sensor. It's crucial to torque the axle nut to the manufacturer's exact specifications, which you can find in your Murano service manual. Finally, reinstall the wheel and torque the lug nuts. Always double-check all connections and fasteners to ensure everything is secure and safe before lowering the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.